and we're gonna play this song.
Cool.
Yes.
Go.
Okay.
This is gonna be your 12th try. After this one. 13th. Oh. Okay, start, Matt.
I have to redo it.
We're gonna put this in the blooper, so just go.
Isn't the reading?
Go.
It's not.
Yes, it is.
Stop and shut it off.
Stop. What?